So do you guys know what's missing from my car? Come on, take a guess. Okay, what's missing are these. These are the trim pieces that I installed on the front bumper, I don't know, 3, 4, probably even 5 years ago. And these were just held on by just double-sided tape. So for them to last that long, it's pretty good. And the reason they fell off was probably just due to wear and tear and the tape taking a beating, and there's a lot of dirt and debris on this. They just didn't hold up anymore. So instead of replacing the double-sided tape and installing this back on the car, I decided, you know what? There's 2 other options that I think can look good on the bumper. So this is option 1. So these are some nice trim pieces I found online. They're gloss black, they're super sleek, and they have this pretty aggressive style, almost like the side of a shark. And they're super easy to install with just some double-sided tape. So let's go ahead, slap those on the car. I'll give you my feedback, and then we'll go to option 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab some isopropyl alcohol and thoroughly clean the backside of this trim piece. That's going to get rid of all the dirt, debris, any oil. This way, the double-sided tape is going to stick a lot better. And now I'm just going to apply double-sided tape to all the areas that will make contact with the bumper. Okay, now it should be ready to go onto the car. So I'm going to start by cleaning the area with isopropyl alcohol. Now I'm going to peel back the red film on the double-sided tape. And now I'm just going to align the trim piece on the bumper and push it onto place. So here's the before and here's the after. So I love the way this looks. It's pretty aggressive though. And if you look closely, I can still see some white inside. That will probably need to be vinyl wrapped or plasti dip black. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Hey guys, real quick, I just partnered up with the team over at Printed Threads in Fort Worth, Texas to bring you this. That's right, now I finally have a merch store. So now you can pick up t-shirts, you can even pick up hats. I'll put everything in a link in the description below. And every few months, I'm gonna drop a brand new design, so always feel free to go check out the store. And if you post a picture of yourself wearing the flex gear on Instagram and you tag me, I will reshare it on my Instagram story. And as always, I appreciate every single one of you guys who supported the channel. I wouldn't be here today without your help. So a huge thank you to you guys, and let's get back to the video. Okay, so those are pretty cool, but let's check out option 2. So option 2 is a little different. These are almost like eyebrows for the bottom of the bumper. They're gloss black, they're pretty sleek. And I also went ahead and got some A-class Canards to supplement them, which I think will look pretty cool. And they're all just held on by double-sided tape. So yeah, let's go ahead and get those on the car, and then I'll give you my feedback. So for this set, the Canard actually already comes with double-sided tape, so I don't have to worry about that. But for the trim piece, I'm gonna clean the backside with isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm just gonna line it with the double-sided tape. Okay, now it's ready to go onto the car. Like the other install, I'm gonna clean off the area. Peel back the red film. Line it up to the front bumper and push it onto place. And for the Canard, it's pretty easy, just peeling the red film and just sticking it right to the front bumper. So here's the before, and here's the after. So yeah, this looks pretty good. It contours the bumper, there's no weird gaps. I mean, it looks pretty good, even the Canard. Yeah, that's pretty sleek. I don't know, the Canard, it might grow on me, but overall, this looks pretty good. So now that you've seen both of them, what do you guys think? Option 1 or option 2? I'm leaning towards option 2, just for my personal preference. It's not overly aggressive. It complements the car pretty well and it looks pretty sleek. Well, there you have it, another really easy install. If there's another option out there that I'm completely forgetting, definitely let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you next time.